Alrighty, so we got another video for you. I have a pre-LCI, as everyone knows, and one of the gripes about them from a lot of people is that the LEDs on the door panels don't really show up much. So I was going to do two different mods. I was going to do the LCI LED module upgrade, and then I was going to do the Ambient Modz strip, like everyone else does on the F80s. And so we're gonna go over that. So for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, it's this like rubber grommet strip thing that you put in, and what it does is it essentially will keep the light from going all the way down and dimmed out, and it'll sort of hold it in this strip, and it sort of makes it look like, you know, the newer cars with the fiber optics. So it's a cheap, cool well, I don't know about cheap, because the 4 Series and F81s are like 60 to 80 bucks, where the F80 M3s are like maybe, how much are they, like 40 to 50 bucks. So the M4 ones are going to cost a little bit more because they're harder to source. But to really give an overview, again, don't have a tripod, sorry guys. You just sort of insert it and push up. I already did this side, and then I'm gonna show you guys on the other side exactly the process I'm gonna go through to do it. Something I also want to bring up on this side, the full leather package, because the leather, you'll see that right there there's a minor gap, so you won't be able to push it all the way back like most people are saying if you have full or extended leather. See this. I'm gonna try to do the best I can with this. So you're gonna take the long side right here, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try, like everyone said, to do the back edge first, slide it down, like I said. A little bit harder with the leather. Driver's side was substantially easier for some reason. And I probably did it wrong because I cut this to length beforehand. But we'll see. So right here, it's going to be slightly too long, and I'm going to have to cut it. Whoa, there are my scissors. They're on the other side. Now, you don't have to use a marker or anything to mark where it is. You'll see the line right here. I see it right around where my finger is. I'm gonna pull a little bit out and then cut accordingly, like so. Check again. It's still a little long, so I'm gonna cut a little bit more. the biggest thing is getting this back piece to fit. Hopefully, you noticed that? There you have it, all done. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can show you guys what it looks like. Boom. So that's what it looks like in the dark. That's white, that's the sports setting. And I think it looks pretty good. And I'm gonna do the back seats too. Alright, so I finished the back ones. Again, they look pretty good. I will say these were a little bit different to install. You just push up instead of sliding. And they don't exactly fit perfectly, I would say. So like mine I accidentally cut short because it kept falling out. But overall, look pretty good.
Singing low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party that's a no. Just pop the Kenny about a million options. So the stock and I stop doing agreement. I rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that pop.
So if you want something somewhat cheap to get better lighting in your 15, M4 or F30, just pre-LCI. This is a cool mod to do. You can do it in your 16s and whatnot, but I do believe they have better lighting anyways. Something I definitely suggest doing, I'll link where I got mine below, but like I said, mine were a little bit more expensive than your Amazon ones because the F80s for some reason are way cheaper. I think it's because of the length. But yeah. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll see you later.